Hello everyone, today we're diving into the Tramontina 15-piece aluminum nonstick cookware set with utensils in sleek silver, a must-have for any kitchen enthusiast. This set boasts enhanced durability with its sturdy aluminum construction, ensuring it withstands the demands of everyday cooking. The nonstick interior promotes healthier cooking by requiring less oil or butter, while also making food release and cleanup a breeze. Ergonomically designed handles stay cool during stovetop cooking, providing a secure and comfortable grip for added control and safety. This versatile set includes essential pieces for various cooking tasks, from sautéing and frying to simmering and boiling, making it perfect for both everyday meals and special occasions. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for easy maintenance, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Compatible with gas, electric, and ceramic glass cooktops, this cookware set combines style and functionality, adding a touch of elegance to your culinary endeavors. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.